Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 19. We are moving right along full steam. Thank you so much for joining me for COOKMAS. For today's recipe, I'm going to go ahead and whip up a sweet little treat that you can make for the holiday, for any special occasion. I'm going to go ahead and make some Puttin on the Ritz cookies. So it's a very simple recipe with very few ingredients, but it is a tasty treat that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, these are the Puttin on the Ritz cookies, where we used the Ritz Crackers and just went ahead and put the peanut butter and made them a sandwich cookie and then dunked them in that white chocolate. Went ahead and just added some Christmas sprinkles for the holiday effect. But as you can see in the inside, we've got the delicious cracker with that peanut butter. Kind of reminds you of chocolate covered pretzels if you like that kind of thing. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of when I drop a new video. You guys, happy holidays and take care. Bye guys.